Hey everybody, welcome or welcome back to my channel, A Day in the Life of Rhea. Thanks for stopping by and tuning in, and welcome to today's video. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 23. In today's video, I will be making my very first Bloody Mary. It's kind of creative if you ask me. So if you would like to see my very first Bloody Mary, then keep on watching. So I'm making shrimp 3 different ways today. I realized I have some of this left, so I can make the shrimp skewers to go with the Bloody Mary. Yeah, so these shrimp are about to be chilling in the water while I season up my flour. I'm back with my buttermilk and an egg. I forgot to season my shrimp. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7. Alright, 7 is my favorite number anyways. So these will be the ones that I just put butter on and saute in a pan. These ones I'll be frying up 2 different ways. So I need this bowl to put the buttermilk and eggs in. I don't feel like going to get another bowl, so let me see. Just waiting for my grease in this pan to heat up so that I can fry some shrimp in here and put the other ones in some butter. I'll also be using this bacon, so I need to heat this up as well for the shrimp skewers to go inside of the Bloody Mary. I'll just set these to the side. And now it's time to get started on the fried shrimp. The grease should be ready by now. So I'm waiting for the grease to get hot again for the last bit of shrimp and for the oven to get hot. So I'm going to use half of the shrimp and put it in the oven after I put some of the hot Cheetos puffs coated on top of it. So I got a cold pan to put my bacon in. So these are getting done. So my skewers are done. I'm about to go reheat these real quick and go get my celery stalk. I guess that's enough alcohol, but I can put a little bit more in. Times are hard. My very first Bloody Mary. I am so proud of this. I haven't eaten all day. It's 5 o'clock somewhere. It's probably after 5 o'clock now. I have no idea what time it is. But anyways, I'm about to sit down and finally enjoy my first Bloody Mary, self-made. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!